how to set up recurring transfers in Truist Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up recurring transfers in Truist Online Banking so you can move money automatically between your accounts. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to click on transfer tab and this will take you to the page where you can manage all your money movements. And here, next you have to choose schedule transfers and this will allow you to set up a transfer that will repeat automatically. So there on the next page, you simply have to select the account that you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to and enter the amount. And there under frequency, you need to choose how often the transfers should happen, like weekly, bi-weekly, a monthly, and then you need to pick your start date. And once you have done that, you need to review your details carefully and then click confirm to finalize. And Truist will now handle these transfers automatically based on your schedule. And that's it. Your recurring transfers will be set. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.